Hello everyone, my name is Muzammil and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create an ATS-friendly resume with an ATS score of 90 plus. If you already have a resume, you can use that, or else you can type in your details about your education and everything manually into ChatGPT, and that is also going to work. To create a resume, I'll be using MS Office. If you have MS Office, that's perfect, or if you do not have MS Office, do not forget to check out my last video in which I have explained how to install MS Office 2024 with activation. The activation may not be included in the video, but feel free to check the comments or else the link in bio for my Instagram and DM me over there. I'll share a link to you in which there'll be a proper guide how to activate MS Office on your laptop. Without wasting time, let's get started.
So open Google Chrome first. Then go to new chat. Type in hi, my name is Muzammil and I am applying for a job abroad in sales. Similarly, you can use any other title for your job, whatever the company you are looking for or whatever the role you are looking for. Do not forget to mention this so that it will create a tailored resume for the same job. Now upload your previous resume. Also type in I have attached my resume. Please check the ATS score of this resume also. And also suggest me any changes I have to make. Hit enter. It will give you the ATS score. My current ATS score resume is 52. So I am going to create a 90 plus ATS score resume. So it is giving me the details about what to change in my resume so that my resume will improve and get at least 95 to 100. It is giving me the suggestion, yes, create my ATS resume. I am going to copy the same and then paste it over there. Thoroughly, it will check out my resume and then it is going to create an ATS friendly resume based on my experience and for sales only. Now I have to generate a Word file. Similarly, I am going to copy the prompt and paste it over there, generate a Word docs file. Great, I have successfully got the docs file, which is actually a Word file. Now let's download it and open the Word file. Enable the editing. You can check out the resume. It is not looking clean as of now, but with basic editing we can change the layout, change the spacing, that's after and before spacing, which you can find in the layout option, and also set the margin to narrow, because you can check the spacing between lines was too high, so I have decreased the spacing and also changed the margin to narrow, so that much more text will get into a single page. I am going to change the line alignment. I am going to increase the height of headings name, profile, I'm going to keep it 16 and then keep it bold. Experience 16 and bold. Similarly for education, for technical skills, and for certifications. Let's do the same for sales skills. Sales. Cool. Now I guess it's looking fine. Let us get it to the second page, and also the experience over here. Let's make it bold. Do not increase. I'm not increasing the size, just making it bold. The rest, I think the resume is looking fine. Now let's download the resume in PDF format. Go to File, save a copy, this PC. The name is Muzammil ATS resume, and I'm going to save it in PDF on my desktop so that it will be easy to find. Save. Great, we have successfully completed the first part. Let's check the ATS score of this resume now. Attach the file. Go to desktop, Muzammil ATS resume. Let's type in check ATS score of this resume and hit enter. You can see we have got the ATS score of 88. Previously that was 55. You can see 52, sorry. Now we have got the ATS score of 88. Update my ATS resume now. Let's get the ATS score much more higher. We are aiming for 90 plus ATS score. Again, it is going to tailor the details according to my need. Let's generate the Word file again. Copy and paste. Cancel. Here we have got Muzammil updated ATS resume.docx. Let's open the docs file. Great. Enable editing. I guess still we have to make some changes into this resume. I'm going to select all with Ctrl+A and decrease the before and after spacing. Go to margin and keep it narrow. Great, it's looking fine. Also change the line spacing and the alignment of text. Now I am going to increase the headings, size, and also make them bold. First, I will change the email and make it a link, clickable link. Similarly, you can do the same for all the links available on your resume. Now I am changing the headings and everything on my resume. Profile, let's increase the size 16 and bold. Let's do the same for experience. Increase the size to 16 and make it bold. Let's do it fast. Select education, sales skills, additional technical skills and certifications. Increase the size simultaneously and make it bold. Now do the same for the experiences. Also here the professional title is not looking good. Remove the professional title and I'm going to paste it over there on my bio. Let's increase the size and make it bold. Great. I guess the experience is looking fine for now. Let's change the details for number also. Make it a clickable link. Let's save it. Save as. I'm going to save it on desktop as PDF. Muzammil updated ATS resume. Let's save it. Great, we have successfully got our resume. You can check the resume is looking perfect. Now let's check the ATS score of this resume. Attach the file. Go to desktop, Muzammil updated ATS resume. Check the score. Here you can see I have got a 94 ATS score for this resume. You can repeat the steps and get as much higher as you want.